So, guys, this is a briefing for your voice, verse, and case. In this, please listen to the briefing carefully and follow this. If you will not follow this, you will not be able to clear the verse and test. So, this is an assessment to check your fluency. Grammar and tenses doesn't matter in this. What matters is your fluency. You should not take any pauses during the test, and you should not use any answer blank. Now, the first section is a reading section, wherein some sentences will appear on a screen one by one, and you need to read them one by one. But again, by reading, you need to make sure that you're not taking any pauses in between. Avoid the commas, avoid the full stop. Read as fast as you can. You have to be fast and fluent. For example, you got us in this. Yesterday night, I went out with my family, comma, there I had my dinner. So you should speak, yesterday night, I went out with my family, there I had my dinner. So you have to be as fast as like this, and you need to make sure that you're speaking it fast and fluent only without making any pauses for full stops and commas. This is the first section, reading. Second section is listening. The voice will tell you a sentence, and you need to read that sentence as it is. But again, while reading, you need to make sure that you're taking care, that you're not taking any pauses in between. The voice will speak slowly so that you can understand, but you need to make sure that you're speaking fast solely. The voice will take pauses for comma, but you don't have to take any pauses. And if suppose while the voice was speaking and you could not hear one or two words out of that sentence, you can add on one or two words on your own, but you need to make sure that you're speaking the sentence fluently, not taking any pauses in between and not fumbling in between. This is the second section. Now, the third section is a logical question answer, wherein the voice will ask you a simple question like, would you get water from a bottle or a newspaper? You just need to give the one word answer. For example, you can say bottom. How many sides is square has four? How many sides a cube has six? So logical question answer. If you listen the question carefully, you'll be able to answer it. But still, if you're not getting at any answer, simply say I don't know. But do not leave it blank. Now, the next section is jumble of sentences. The voice will tell you a jumbled sentence. You need to recreate and make it a proper one. Now, in this section also, you have to follow the same thing. No pauses in between. The voice will speak slowly. You have to speak fast. And if you are not able to hear one or two words, you can add on one or two words on your own, but you need to make sure that you're speaking it fluently. Now, the next section is story retelling. The voice will tell you a story for 10 seconds, but then it will ask you to speak on that story for complete 30 seconds. But how will you speak for 30 seconds? Because you have heard the story just for 10 seconds. So you have to create an imaginative story. You have to carry on the storyline. After speaking whatever you have heard, you need to create an imaginatory story after that. And you need to make sure that you're not taking any pauses in between, no time to think, not even 1 or 2 seconds to think. Just keep speaking the story fluently without any pauses, as I told you in the reading section. So you have to make sure that you're speaking the stories completely and speaking for complete 30 seconds. Just do not speak 2 or 3 sentences and then stop. Do not do like that. You will not be able to hear. You have to speak for complete 30 seconds without any pauses and as fast as fluent as you can. So there will be 3 stories like this. Next section is topic. You will get 2 topics. On both of the topics, you need to speak for complete 40 seconds. So, same logic, need to speak for complete 40 seconds, no pauses, be fast and fluent, and do not take time to think, not getting anything. Pick up the topic word, like any random segments, but keep speaking for complete 40 seconds. So, during the whole test, you have to be fast and fluent without taking any pauses. Do not feel that if I will speak fast, my voice will not go clearly. You don't have to think like that. You have to speak fast only, and you have to speak fluently only. Gotcha. Thank you.